Okay, well, I am going to now test this water. It's been sitting here since yesterday at 7 something, and now it's 8:50 a.m. November 18th, 2010, and I'm going to say it's been 13 hours since I poured it, and I just took the metal rings off. I had these these are like jelly jar, very nice sealed jars. So the seal is good. They're glass jars. So if they're going to retain pH and ORP, they will retain it as best as I think they can in this type of a situation. So let's go ahead and get started on testing. And this is the Enagic over here, level 1. And I'll probably have to unstick the pH meter. Hold on one second. Do my little tricks to get this pH meter to work faster and get unstuck. I use, and the testing takes a long time to do, and I don't want to waste time waiting for the pH to slowly creep up. Take 20 minutes to get up to the actual level that it's at. Okay. Alright, well, this is the Enagic, and really, I'm going to say this is about what I expected. A 9.7 pH and a negative 104, and that's at level 1. That's actually some pretty good results, though. You are losing ORP. Yes, you would get much more than that if you poured it fresh, but other than that, it is pretty good result for level 1. Okay, now the Melody is a 9.7 pH with a negative 96 ORP. That's at level 1, and that's actually pretty good if you consider that the alternative tap water has about a positive 300 ORP. The ORP has been retained very well over that long of a period of time. And some people sometimes ask me, well, should I use a portable water ionizer when I go to work because I'm going to be gone for 8 hours? And I say, with those numbers, no. Because those are still better than what a portable ionizer will give you. And the alright, so anyway, let's go on. This is the Enagic level 2, 10.7 and a negative 106. Alright, and go to level 2 of the Melody. And these seals also have a rubber rim there, so when you screw them down, they do keep a tight seal. Alright, and we've got a 10.4 with a negative 98. Alright, now we'll go to the Enagic level 3. So you can kind of see that the pH is holding on longer than the ORP, which makes sense because the ORP is based on negative electrons, which are hydrogen basically, which will evaporate. It's a very light gas. It'll evaporate. Alright, so 11.0 and a negative 130. So the pH is still high, but that ORP has gone down to almost the same ORP as level 1. Interesting. Because that wasn't the case after 3 hours, but it is the case after 13 hours. Okay, hold on. Got 2 lids together. Okay, and now this is the Melody 10.87 with a negative 104. Okay, and level 4. This is the Enagic, 11.2 with a negative 139. interesting that they're so close. And the Melody 11 or 10.9 with a negative 120. Okay, well that's the results for the 13-hour or whatever, close to 13-hour time. And so we'll see what it is. Maybe we'll test it again this evening or something, so that'll be a full 24 hours and see what we've got. But they're still good, still better than a portable water ionizer at this point at all levels. And but if you had a choice and you could get your own water ionizer, I highly suggest that you get your own water ionizer so you can come right up to it, take a nice glass, big glass, fill it up with nice fresh ionized water and drink it fresh.